Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in my McGriddle video, one of the most common questions I got was, how did you make your eggs look like that? The other question I got is, where do you find sausage patties that big? So in this video, we are going to answer both of those. But before we do that, if you enjoy low-carb cooking videos, product and ingredient reviews, as well as lessons learned from my experiences with the ketogenic lifestyle and intermittent fasting, click that subscribe button down there. And while you're at it, click the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I release a new video. So honestly, it kind of caught me off guard when I got these two questions on the eggs and the sausage, because I guess I've just been making breakfast. I've been like a short order dad cook for the last 18 plus years for the family, and I've just sort of gotten used to certain things. So I'm going to show you how I did the eggs and how I did the sausage. You don't have to do either of these things to have a great McGriddle, and you don't have to be keto to do these things. But if you want to make your breakfast sandwich a little bit special, give them a try. Let's start with the sausage. We're going to interrupt this video because we are not going to do the sausage. I had what was in my brain, what I thought was a pretty slick kitchen hack to create a bunch of 4-inch sausage patties that would fit perfectly onto your McGriddle. Unfortunately, when I tried it out, it turned out they were a lot more work than the payoff. So my recommendation, if you're looking for larger sausage patties, if they don't have them at your grocery store, get yourself one of those tubes, like 6-inch tubes of breakfast sausage. Cut those into discs about 3/4 to an inch wide. On the Jimmy Dean, I think that's 2 lines. Then press out the patty to 4 inches, either in a burger press or between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Be aware that you should spray either, whether it's the burger maker or the parchment paper, with some nonstick spray, as the fat content in breakfast sausage will cause it to stick. And then, once you have your patties, just cook it up in a skillet, oven, however you normally do it. Now on to the eggs. Since we're making 3 McGriddles, we'll need 3 eggs, beaten, to this we'll add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream and mix that in. We have our square nonstick skillet that we want to get up in between 270 and 280 degrees. Give it a spritz with the nonstick spray of your choice. Add your egg and tilt the pan to make sure you've got it all covered. You may want to continue tilting the pan as you see certain locations that might be a little bit thinner than others. Sometimes I'll rotate the pan too, especially to make sure that I get the corners nice and dry. Once the egg is dry to the touch, I'll score it into thirds. And if you want your cheese melted, now's a good time to add that. Look at how thin that is. Onto our McGriddle bun, our sausage patty, and the top. And there we go. We have a sausage patty that is pretty much exactly the same size as our bun. We've got a nice, light, delicate egg. And of course, it tastes just like a McGriddle. So none of these steps are necessary, but if you want to take it that extra notch and really impress your friends and family, I guess they got to be kind of easily impressed if a McGriddle does it, but hey, give these a try, see if you like them, and thanks for watching.